everyone, yung Mama Betcha here and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago lang kayo sa aking channel, please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell as I will be posting new videos weekly. First of all, I would like to congratulate those who are able to create an online shop with Lazada. Congratulations po sa inyo! May nag-comment po that they're now starting to receive orders and I want to let you know that I'm happy and I wish you good luck in your selling journey. Sa mga di pa nakakapag-open ng online shop with Lazada o sa may mga balak pong magbenta sa Lazada, you are on the right channel. I have created a Lazada tutorial series and umabot na po ito ng part 7. So please feel free to watch. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take your product photos to a professional looking level. Kung nakasubaybay po kayo sa aking tutorials, yung part 3 po natin, I showed you there how to take product photos using a natural lighting. Today, I'm going to show you naman how to take your product photos using another material looking like it was taken by a pro or professional. Kung paano, please watch and learn. But before we proceed, quick tip po muna tayo. Kung kumikita na po tayo, maliit man o malaki, paikutin lang po natin ang ating profits by buying more SKUs or products or invest in some materials that you can use in your online selling. Just a disclaimer, these tutorials are not sponsored. I'm doing this to share my 6 years experience in online selling and I'm hoping na at the end of the day ay may natutunan po kayo from me. So let's start. Here are the things we need in taking product photos like a pro. Here is the first thing that we need. It is a light box. I bought this in Lazada 4 years ago for around 1,500 pesos. And I believe meron na itong available sa Shopee. I-search nyo lang po dun sa Shopee application nyo. It will give you different results with different prices. So, depende na po yan sa budget nyo. So far, sulit na to. I've used this for almost 5 to 6 years na. And let me open it. I'll show you rin na meron siyang built-in na mga LED lights. Ayan. Okay. Next is itong backdrop in white. Please take note na kasama to nitong light box na in-order ko online. So this comes in white and in black backdrop. So today we're going to use the white backdrop. And then we have this cable. Originally, yung order ko nung light box, it comes with a cable. Hindi ko na po siya mahanap. But you can use, in case mawala, you can use a regular Android port na cable. And yung dulo niya is USB. And of course, for tutorial purposes, we have to have a subject as our product. So if you are a Transformers fans, eto po si Grimlock. We are going to use Grimlock to take a picture using a softbox. Okay? Ayan siya. So, yun lang po ang materials na kailangan natin. Please continue watching and alamin how to take photos using these materials. There. So, the first thing that we need to do is to set up yung light box. So, as you can see, ang dumi na po ng ating light box. And so are my nails. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po at wala na pong panahon ng inyong yung Mama Betcha ay magpalinis ng kuko. So, yung side ng ating light box, it comes with a magnet. So, magnetic po siya. So, in setting it up, ayan. Set up nyo lang siya, pagdidikitin nyo lang yung gilid ng mga magnet. Okay, and then you can always stretch it and form it into a square box. And make sure na yung LED lights na part ay nasa itaas. Okay, there. And then next, we are going to get the white backdrop. Okay, so nasa inyo na po yan if you would want to use the black backdrop, but I would prefer using the white one kasi mas malinis tingnan siya sa ating mga online shop. Okay, so in setting this up, ayan, meron siyang butas. Isusuot nyo lang siya dun sa loob. Ayan. Okay. There. And then next, we are going to get the cable. Cable na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, but this time we are going to use a longer cable. As you can see, yung dulo niya is a USB port, and then yung kabila is yung pang Android phone na port. Okay? So yan, ang ginagamit ko today is phone charger. So dinisconnect ko lang yung saksakan because right now I'm going to connect it sa aking desktop. Okay? Pwede naman yun, you can use kung may USB port yung desktop nyo o kung may USB port yung laptop nyo, you can use that. Or you can use yung phone charger. And then isaksak nyo lang dun sa socket. Ayan. So, pwede yan. Okay? So, nawala ko talaga yung original na cable that came with it nung in-order ko tong softbox. There. Okay, so nakita nyo yung light. Ang ganda, diba? Okay, so yan yung difference niya versus sa natural lighting. Okay, and of course, we're going to get our subject, yung transformer na leader na si Grimlock. Okay, so whatever product you have na kasya dyan sa 40x40, you can use this softbox. And what you can do is ipatong nyo lang. Yan. For example, ito yung item na binibenta nyo online. So, papatong nyo lang siya sa gitna. Okay? And then, so it's up to you if you're going to take 3 or 4 shots. Halimbawa, yung front na shots, side shots, or yung likod na shots ng item nyo. So, depende sa type ng binibenta nyo. But right now, I'm going to show you lang yung how to take a photo ni Grimlock using yung harapan or yung frontal shot. Okay? And then, nasa inyo na yun kung paano nyo ipwesto. But, for me, okay na yung position ni Grimlock dyan sa ating lightbox. And, as usual, lalo na sa mga nagsisimula ng online selling na wala pang pambili ng SLR, you can also use a mobile phone. So, today, I'm going to use my Samsung A5 2016 na mobile phone. Kung nakita nyo yung ibang tutorial natin, ito yung same phone na ginamit ko. Okay? So, mobile phone nowadays has a very good camera. You can set it to Pro. Ayan. Okay, so sa editing ng ating picture, you can either hide yung butas na yan kung nakikita nyo, or you can use the zoom option ng inyong camera or whatever you're using. Okay, kung SLR yan, you can use that too. So, okay, I'm going to show you paano kung naka-zoom. So, ipwesto natin ng maayos si subject. Ayan, zoom po natin siya to 1.2 para lang ma-hide yung butas. Ayan siya. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kadali using a light box. And later, I will show you a comparison of a picture taken under a natural lighting versus nitong light box. Okay, so just check on the screen. I will show it later. So I took a picture of Grimlock under the natural lighting and see the difference dun sa Grimlock taken using the light box. I hope that you see the difference, but let me point it out for you. So, under the natural lighting, yung sa kaliwa, medyo madilim siya and the shadows are very visible. While yung kuha natin using the light box, brighter ang ating subject and you can also clearly see the details ng ating product. And when it comes to editing, mas mabilis ang pag-edit pagkuha sa lightbox because you will only be adjusting a few like yung brightness and contrast ng colors ng ating product. So there, that ends our tutorial today. Thank you so much sa pagsuporta. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. For questions, feel free to comment down below and I will see you in our next tutorial. Bye!